So these people will go mad clapping for you. You look like somebody who drinks beer. Pick any alphabet in the middle. With all the negativity in the world, it almost feels like the world has become a horrible place to live in. Second word, second, is it a tough? Is it a? You're not giving any clues, no? Okay. Point to. People have come from. Nobody has come from this side. Somebody from here. Somebody from there. Point to somebody this side.
This side?
Yeah.
That's good. The hairband.
Hairband. Hairband, yeah. Ma'am? Ma'am. One second. We'll create some dopamine for you. We just have 20 minutes more. What is your name, ma'am?
Apranjita.
You're correct. Apranjita. Tougher than my name. Okay. Well, what do people call you as? Like pet name, nickname? Appu. Is it okay if all of us call you Appu? Thank you. Appu, you are probably the last participant. Maybe we might have one more, depending on how the show goes. So these people will go mad clapping for you. Okay? Starts from now. Start, come on. Thanks a lot. Coke is the sponsor of the show. I wish I could say it. It is not, but someday. Do you like Coke?
Yeah.
You like? Sure? Okay. Sorry? You're also there on stage. You look like somebody who drinks beer. Do you want some? Do you like Coke? This is yours. Thank you. Cheers. You want some, no? Take a sip. Are you nervous? Little bit, huh? You guys know what to do when somebody's nervous. Come on. Second word is still there. It's getting a little tough. Show the fourth word. Appu, have a look at the fourth word. Done?
Got it.
Okay. Keep sipping. Enjoy. Same thing. Give me any word that comes to your mind that you can relate this fourth word to. Anything. Do not be very obvious. Give me something random that you kind of relate in your own way to the fourth word.
Birds.
Birds. Give me one more. White. Birds and white. One last, give me one more. War. By the way, when the heat happened, you forgot to do that.
Yeah, I do it.
Yeah. War, birds and
White.
White. Okay. Let's take the. I'll talk some random things. If it made any sense to the word you're thinking of, I'll take it on from there. Okay? Life in general is almost like this crushed and consumed can. I'm looking at it and talking. I'm just trying to get whatever. I will say random things. I'll look at you. If I somewhere get a hook, I'll take it on from there. Right? It almost feels like for whatever is happening on earth, it almost feels like it's become a very horrible place to live at, right? You're smiling, so I think going in the right direction. But kids, kids are super. Kids do not know what is religion. Kids do not know what is discrimination. Kids do not know what is envy. Kids do not know what is money. Kids don't know comparison. Okay, it's not related to a kid. Smiling. I once asked a kid, what is God according to him? His innocence replied, is God Spider-Man? I know I'm going off tangent, but maybe that kid is right. Whatever keeps him happy, that is God according to him. You're not giving anything away, no? It almost feels, okay, I'll repeat the same sentence. It almost feels like, with all the negativity in the world, it almost feels like the world has become a horrible place to live in. You just smirked. I think I'll do it. Apu? I think I somewhere got this because I repeated the same sentence twice and I saw the same smoke on your face when these two sentences happened. When I was talking about a kid and all that, you kind of did not react much, but when I said this, you reacted. I was looking at her face too. I'm going to out loud say the word I believe you're thinking of. If I'm right, you'll stand up, do a cheers with me, have eye contact, and leave back. If I'm wrong, you will do the same. No, if you're wrong, you sit back. I'll try and get this. Otherwise, I give up. It's okay. And she'll confirm everything. How's the stage fear going on? Getting better, right? Come on, getting better. Just a matter of time. It's okay. Apu, imagine writing this word right here. 5 letters.
Yeah.
Yeah? Pick any alphabet in the middle. A. I understand the awkward silence. I'm going to say out loud what word I believe you're thinking of. Same thing, if I'm right, you'll stand up, do a cheers with me, proudly go back, and these people will go mad clapping for you.
Okay.
The word you're thinking of, Apu, is peace. Oh, cheers. When she goes back, come on! The world has become quite a horrible place, actually true, right? With all the religion and hate and your bombing and all that. But you can try and restore this. You can actually try and restore this by going back to being a kid. Because kids do not know all this. Babies have no clue what is religion. They don't have any clue. For them, everything is the same, right? Let's try and restore this. Again, this is an experiment. I want to. Even if you think, again, same thing, even if you think it's a trick, I don't really mind. we can possibly try and restore this first. You can see this, right? I don't know, again, this is purely an experiment. You saw that, right? Is it? Yeah? You saw this close up. Oh, you have the can. Hold it. We can always be something in life. You can always go back in life and change anything you want.